Why you check the fridge, even when you know there's nothing. You're not hungry. You already checked. Still, you open it again. Why? Because your brain isn't looking for food. It's looking for a surprise. Every time you open the fridge, there's a tiny chance something new is inside. And that maybe feeling is addictive. It's the same loop as checking your phone, refreshing, hoping, again and again, even when nothing changes. And slowly, it becomes a habit. Bored? Open the fridge. Stressed? Open the fridge. Not for food, for a feeling. So next time you do it, remember, you're not hungry. Your brain just wants a reward.